We guide you through how to use Snapchat on PC or laptop. Start by opening your browser, going to web.snapchat.com, and logging in with your Snapchat account. Then, completing the verification from your phone so your account stays secure. Once logged in, you can send and receive chats, view and reply to snaps, make voice and video calls, and manage conversations directly from your PC or laptop without installing extra software. And keep in mind that posting stories using filters is still limited on this tab. So this setup is mainly for messaging, calls, and if Snapchat Web is not available in your region, another option is using an Android emulator like BlueStacks, where you can install Snapchat from the Play Store. Sign in and use it just like on a phone but with keyboard and mouse controls. Always download emulators only from official websites to keep your account safe.